Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro haka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Rengkat lang bat ka perthai barok kawai ka Office Trekam jong ka Commissioner of Person with Disabilities jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya harengkat ka jingye trelang bat ka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong hakalai terik unok pra arjar arpo kala rakhe ye ka sngi kerpang jong ki breu ki badon ye ki jingduna hagit khotmet ye ka bala tibru hakaktin nongwei kum ka International Day of Person with Disabilities bat ka phang pedeng mentau snem arjar arpo kadai Building Back Better Towards a Disability Inclusive, Accessible and Sustainable Post-COVID-19 World. Ha kajing rakhe ye kani kasngi ha kajing ilang kabalalong hanong ba Shillong u menteri rang ba jong ka Sorkar Jilla u Konrad K Sangma ulalong u Kongsan katba u menteri jong ka Tanat Social Welfare u ba Kermen Shilla ulalong u sembot Kongsan harengkat kajing idon lang jong ki weipat ki officer na ka Tanat Social Welfare ka Commissioner ka Bapet ye ki breu ki bedunad khotmet ha ka Jilla ka SB Marak bat ki wei kum kajing penslur ye ki samla ki badon jingduna ha ki khotmet ka Sorkar Jilla kala samru ye ki khusnam sheki arnut ki samla kata ye ka samla frio chianchi Marak bat ya usamla dakin maulang warjeri hagani ki jingilang menteri rang ba jong ka Jilla ula pelat pat baru ya ka app ka baar ya ka balashna kerpang naga bentaban ai jingtip shaki breu ki baduna khotmet ha ka Jilla ya ka bala tip kerteng kum ka Meghalaya Sign Bank app bat ha ka jo ko por ula pelat pat baru ya artli ki video bala pen krek kerpang bat ya ka shap jong ka Jilla ka bapen itho ya ki breu ki badan jingduna ha ki khotmet.
Society as a whole and as individuals with persons with disability need to look back and reflect into many aspects of what has gone into creating different aspects and different opportunities for people with disability, and look back and review to some extent what maybe we have done good and maybe a lot of things that we still need to do. So I think it's a very, very important day, and I really thank you once again for inviting me because it has given me a lot of insight into many things that need to be done. I came here sharp at 10:56 because program was supposed to start at 11 o'clock. I tell everybody that the greatest resource that we all have is time. And no matter what you may value in your life, whether it's money or other things that you may have, it is ultimately time that is of the greatest importance because it never comes back, no matter what you want, no matter how much money you might have. And therefore, I always stress on telling everybody, make sure that you don't lose a single minute. Make sure that you are disciplined in your work and make sure that you make every moment count. Now the reason I'm saying this today to all of you is number one, I believe in it, I practice it, but I want each one of you also to reflect on this. I think it's important as individuals to see that yes, there may be a lot of things that we may not be doing correct, and there may be a lot of challenges that we face and many things that are going wrong for many of us. But then, as the video says, we must rise above. We must rise above all these challenges that we have. We have two remarkable individuals here today who rose above those challenges. So yes, we have time to look back and say a lot of things went wrong, but let us not lose any time to tell ourselves that we must not lose any more opportunity to really celebrate life, celebrate what we have. I know that there are many challenges. And a lot of you will look and say that it's difficult. Well, life is full of challenges for anybody. It just depends on what kind of challenges you have. So whether you're a person with disability or not, challenges will always be there. But I just want to tell all of you that we must all have a positive mindset.